Autosteel is a plug-in tool to CAD. It opens inside CAD. It reads RCC drawings and exports quantities in Excel sheet with formulas. We first need to open the drawing in CAD. First set the settings from the typical section given by the RCC consultant. Now we read the schedule given by the RCC consultant by reading the drawing. Schedules of multiple types can be read from the drawing. This gives you the accuracy and speed for calculating the quantities from the drawing. We can also read sections if schedules are not given. We will select the slab spans from the drawing by clicking as shown in the video. Now just by select the entire drawing, the software will draw bars on the drawing as if they are on actual site. These bars generated will also get uniquely numbered, which will be referenced on the report as well. This will be the report generated from the software automatically. In this report we will show bar shapes and their respective weights DIYs in tons and in kgs as well. We can also generate concrete report as well. Hope you liked the video. Please give a call or visit our website.